destruction in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Can someone send help, please?
That's a go for Captain Jack Imhoff. What's your location, son?
Uranus. No, seriously, I think I'm in a box.
What?
I don't know, I think I'm in a box.
Well, how the fuck did you get in the box?
The internet. I think the internet put me in a box.
Alright, what's the box's coordinates, son?
I don't know, I'm trying to see outside. I think I'm in motherfucking New York City! Sounds like there's a lot of people outside here too.
I'm getting word from base. We have traced your device. You sit tight, son. We're coming to get you. What's going on, everybody? Well, I came here looking for a missing, skinny, tall, pink-haired motherfucker, but you guys are way cooler than this. I'm gonna put a hold on that. I'm just gonna fly around and look at you all real quick. Oh, yeah. What's going on this side? Always wanted to be a musician. Put your hands up. I should just park this goddamn thing and come down there with Here, we're swinging the spotlight around. Hold on. I don't see him. Thank God I took all these years of flight lessons. Thank God I went to helicopter school right after I graduated. Thank God I watched Top Gun. Hey, everybody look at me. No hands. Look at me. I'm glad to share my knees. Look. Any couples out there? Anybody's first date tonight? Sometimes they say when I put my lower lip above my upper lip like this, makes me proud. Oh shit. Hey man, hey! It looks like you're on your 10th beer. You need to slow down to show us